Hello everyone, welcome back to Power Distribution channel. Today we are looking at a concrete pole which carry a medium voltage twisted cable struck by a truck due to brake failures. As you can see, the concrete pole has been broken in 3 pieces.
Lanjut Bang Wira.
According to the driver itself, he was trying to avoid some pedestrian who crossed the road without notice. But because of heavy rain, limited visibility, and his truck has no load, his tire has slipped and he was fortunate to hit the pole instead of pedestrians. The replacement pole quite long. The shattered pieces is being pulled from the ground, and now the crew are scrambling to fix the problem by removing the broken pole and replace with new concrete pole. Currently, all the feeders are still operational. There is no blackouts happening. As you can see, the poles are heavily broken, which is unrepairable and unusable. The new pole has been erected and the crew prepares bracket for the insulated cables.
Medan lagi ini nih. Pokoknya kunyit dulu, ekstrim.
The cable is being transferred. As you can see here, the crew are adding additional construction, which is alley arm, to further strengthen the existing overhead lines. The upper feeder has been de-energized recently for safety reason because the environment is still wet and humid. The 2 feeders underneath the crew are still energized, so the crew are very cautious working in this space. The corrective maintenance process is almost finished for both the insulated feeders and the overhead lines. That you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please consider to subscribe and click likes. Thank you.